This week felt like folding socks in the dark. Nothing matched and I missed the mark. Tangles and guesses, no light in the room. Trying to sort what I can't assume.
I heard your words and I folded slow. Didn't get the meaning, but I tried to know. I don't do socks or metaphor art, but I feel like a card with a squeaky heart.
Still rolling, still folding, still figuring it out. Even when the world gets loud.